Hello, everyone. I'm James.
Hi, I'm Alice.
Welcome back to Easy English for You. Before we start, I want to thank our new member. Chum L8U joined our membership today. Thank you so much for your support.
Yes, thank you.
Today, something very important. You studied English for years, but you still cannot speak. Younger people study less, but they speak more. This is strange, right?
How is this possible?
That's exactly what we will find out today. I will show you 3 things younger people do. 3 things that change everything.
Only 3 things?
Only 3 things. But first, let's talk about the old way. The way you learned. The way I learned too.
You learned the old way too?
Yes, me too. We memorized lists of words. We studied grammar rules first. We used thick textbooks. We were terrified of making mistakes.
That's exactly my story. I studied grammar for 10 years. I can read English very well, but when someone talks to me, my mind goes blank.
I know that feeling, Alice. The old way is heavy. Too many rules, not enough speaking. It's like trying to swim by reading a book about swimming.
Yes, you never get in the water.
Exactly. Now, younger people throw that book away. They just jump in the water. Let me show you how. Number 1, sound first.
Sound first?
Yes, they listen to the rhythm first. They listen to the music of English. They do not study grammar rules first. They feel how English moves.
Wait, what do you mean by feel? I don't understand.
Okay, let me show you. Alice, say this sentence. I want to go home.
I want to go home.
Good, but that sounds like a textbook. Very correct, but not natural. Now, listen to how a young person says it. I want to go home.
I want to go home.
Much better. You didn't think about grammar. You just copied the sound. That's what I mean by feel.
Oh, so English is like music.
Yes. You don't analyze a song. You just sing along. Younger people learn English the same way.
I love that idea.
Number 2, short and daily. 3 to 5 minutes is enough.
Wait, really? Only 5 minutes?
Yes, younger people do not study for 2 hours. They watch a short video on the subway. They listen to a song while making coffee. They read comments before going to sleep.
Like scrolling through TikTok?
Exactly like that. Your brain loves short and fun. Your brain hates long and boring. This is brain science, not my opinion.
But James, 5 minutes seems too short. Can I really learn in 5 minutes?
You're asking the wrong question. The question is not how long. The question is how often. 5 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week.
Ah, I see. It's about the habit, not the time.
Perfect, Alice. Number 3, use before perfect. This is where most people get stuck.
What do you mean?
Younger people speak English first, then they fix it later. They do not wait until they are perfect. They do not worry about mistakes.
But I'm so scared to make mistakes. People will laugh at me.
Let me tell you something. Do you know about President Kennedy's famous speech?
The Berlin speech?
Yes. In 1963, he spoke in Germany. He said, Ich bin ein Berliner. He spoke with an American accent. It was not perfect German. But millions of people felt his message. They still remember it today because he spoke with confidence, not perfection.
Wow. So the message is more important than perfect grammar.
Exactly. Younger people understand this secret. They know that communication beats perfection.
Wait, I understand the words, but I still don't fully understand the idea. Why is it really okay to make mistakes?
Great question, Alice. Let me explain it like this. Imagine you are learning to ride a bike. You will fall many times, but each fall teaches you balance. Speaking English is the same. Each mistake teaches you something. No mistake means no learning.
Oh, so mistakes are actually good?
Mistakes are not just good, mistakes are necessary. This is the moment you change your mindset.
I can feel it.
Now, let's practice together right now. I will show you exactly how younger people do it. 3 steps. Step 1, listen. Step 2, repeat. Step 3, use it today. Ready, Alice?
I'm ready.
Listen to this. I'm gonna grab some coffee.
I'm gonna grab some coffee.
Good. Now listen to this. Wanna come with?
Wanna come with?
Perfect. But wait, Alice. Say it again, but this time make it sound more casual.
Wanna come with?
Even better. You felt the rhythm that time. Now, when will you use these sentences today?
Maybe when I see my friend after this recording.
Excellent. That's exactly how younger people learn. They don't just practice, they use it in real life immediately. Now, I want to ask you something. Which one of these 3 surprises you the most? Sound first, short and daily, or use before perfect?
Tell us in the comments.
Yes, we read every comment, and we will reply to you. Now, let me share a real example. Last year, I met a student from Asia. She studied grammar textbooks for 8 years. She could write perfect essays, but she couldn't have a simple conversation.
That sounds familiar.
Then she changed her method. She started watching YouTube shorts in English, just 3 minutes every morning. She repeated what she heard. She tried to use it the same day. In 3 months, she could have daily conversations.
3 months?
Yes, because she stopped trying to be perfect. She started trying to communicate. This is not about age. This is about habit.
So anyone can do this?
Anyone, starting today, you can learn like younger people. You just need to change 3 habits.
Okay, let me review what we learned today. Number 1, sound first. Listen to the rhythm, feel the music. Don't study grammar rules first. Number 2, short and daily. 5 minutes every day beats 2 hours once a week. Number 3, use before perfect. Speak first, fix later. Mistakes are necessary for learning.
Perfect summary, Alice. And I want to tell you one more thing. Listen to this episode again tomorrow. Your ears will catch things you missed today. This is how your brain learns, through repetition, not perfection.
I always listen multiple times, and the PDF really helps me review everything.
Yes, if you want today's PDF, join our membership. You get all our lesson materials. Also, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. It helps us reach more learners around the world.
And we have something exciting next week.
Next week, we will talk about thinking in English. Not translating, but thinking.
I really need that.
If you have questions about next week's topic, write them in the comments now. We might answer your question in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching today.
Remember, this is not about age. This is about habit. You can do this.
See you next time.
Thanks for watching, and as always, keep going and keep growing.